Kane County is one of the fastest growing business corridors in Illinois, and the facilities here demand a cleaning standard that keeps up. At Helping Hands Commercial Cleaning, we've been part of that growth since 2001. Every visit is documented, inspected, and held to a standard because a growing market doesn't have room for inconsistency. Our team members are carefully selected, fully trained, and background checked before they ever enter your building. Every week, a supervisor inspects your facility and submits a quality check form. You see the results, not just hear about them. Our people are direct hire employees, never subcontractors. Consistent faces, consistent standards, and one point of contact for everything. Choosing your janitorial service in Kane County is one of the most important decisions you make for your facility. Helping Hands Commercial Cleaning, because Kane County businesses deserve a partner, not just a vendor. Request your free facility walkthrough today.